Hello everybody, today we are on our square, 31,555. We got some ThyssenKrupp elevators. This looks like some kind of mod. Yeah, that definitely is an original door track. ThyssenKrupp modded it. Based on that number right there. These could have been Detroit or Lardner. Here's the phone. Nope, someone etched in help. That's interesting. Okay, we'll send this one away. Look at this one. This is a big cab. Now the other one, the motor stopped. Now we'll take this one. These must park on one or something. Let's see if we park on one. Not moving, but let's at least get a look at the fixtures. There's the permit. Serial numbers up there. This permit's been expired since 2010, which is 13 years. There it goes, that'll be it.